What's up everyone? We're back with another review. Today we're going to be reviewing this Cirkul water bottle.
Let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to be reviewing this Cirkul water bottle, and we're actually so excited because we've heard so much about it, and we bought it 2 weeks ago and we've been waiting to open it. We've been busy, so we haven't had time, but we're going to be opening it today, and all the stuff that we heard about it, it's all good, so we're going to just put it to the test and see if it's actually true. And this actually is at the store right now for $19.98. Do you want to do the honors and open it? So far what we know is that so this water bottle is actually pretty unique. Instead of putting any flavors or anything like that inside the water, so what this does is it has a cartridge that has flavor, and as you drink the water bottle, it actually gives flavor to the water. And I think you can switch it on and off, right? Yeah,
it has this little dial thing that you can turn on and off, I guess you can say, and you can go from drinking regular water to your flavor that you have. And this one comes with 2 cartridges, so it has 2 different flavors, but they have so many other flavors in store and online.
Yes, and I think so this one actually comes with, I think it's a fruit punch, and what was the other one?
Berry,
mango something?
No, not mango.
Mixed berry. I don't know how I got mango from a purplish color, but anyway, so this is right here. This is how it looks when you open it, and it has these cool designs or whatnot. But let's go ahead.
Yeah, so the whole box is filled with information. I don't think it comes with any like manuals, because it's all in the
I
package.
think it's pretty basic. I think it has it on the somewhere. I saw it somewhere. But we can go ahead and open it. Let's see what. Yeah. We've been waiting for 2 weeks to open this. It's been a long time. And I know these are, it's been out for a while now.
So this is a 22-ounce water bottle. And I know, and I think it even says it here that you can use your flavor, your cartridge, and you can use it up to, I think, 6. You can refill up to 6 times before you have to switch cartridges, which is pretty good.
6 20-ounce. So
20 ounce.
Yes.
This is a 22-ounce, so I guess a little bit.
So yeah. So this will last to fill it up 6 times for 20 ounces,
yes.
Right? And
they also, if you go to their website, they have different colors, so you can switch the top. So they have different colors if you want a different color top.
Okay, that's nice. I didn't know that.
And I'm not sure if you can fit this into, I've heard that some you can fit into other water bottles. Yeah, but I'm not sure this one. I guess it depends on your. So you could you might not have to just use this if this fits another.
Which one do you want to try first?
Berry one.
A berry one? Okay. So I was looking for the lid. There's no.
Yeah, because this is.
Yeah, it comes in the cartridge. Yeah, I figured, because I didn't see it, so I was just like, yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool though. You can see the cartridges right there.
I like that you can switch from water to this, and it's not like your whole water is like that, and it's just whenever you drink. So
it looks.
Let's see. So this is the part. This is the cartridge.
Yeah, it looks the same as what it shows on the box.
Let's see.
Yeah, you
put it on here.
That's cool.
Yeah, you just tighten it on there, and then I guess. Oh yeah.
I think
so you can levels, switch.
Right?
Yeah, it has levels of how sweet you want it, or how sweet you want it to come. So like if it's too much of the flavor, you can go down a level. Okay, it goes from 1 to 9. So 9 being I guess the most sweetest.
Yeah, and I think to cancel, or just if you want just plain water, it has an X on there. I don't know if we can get that on the camera close enough to see it, but it has numbers on top of it.
It does have the.
And let me see, I'm gonna try to get it on the camera where you switch the numbers. And you can just kind of, it goes up to 9, I think?
Yeah, 9. So
Up
I
to
guess 9
9,
will
yeah.
be the sweetest.
And then when you want to
One.
just close it and you just want regular water, you just do that.
You do the X?
Yeah, the X, yes.
Okay, and then, so, of course you need water.
Exactly.
But once you fill it up with water, I guess you just put it on there. And then you
I want
drink.
to try fruit punch. I like fruit
You do?
punch, yeah. All right, let's put some water in there and let's see
Let's test it out.
Let's see how it works.
Alright guys, so we filled this up. We used 1 water bottle and...
So it's about maybe halfway, so
yeah.
not quite 20 ounces. I think 20 ounces would be maybe a little higher, but this is
yeah, so because this is 22 ounces, so we still have a little bit more. But we're just going to try with this for now, and let's see how it tastes.
Go ahead, do the honors.
So I'm going to try level 5 and see how sweet that is. And this is the berry, mixed berry.
Okay. It's a taste test, not. Let me try.
That's
what do
so
you think?
Cool. I can taste it. I think 5 was good. It's not too much.
Whoa, that's pretty sweet.
It is. So maybe 3?
Yeah, maybe we can try. I kind of want to try.
The water?
Yeah,
just
the 9.
plain water?
I want to try the most.
No, not the 9.
I want to try it. Let's see what. Actually, yeah, I think maybe let me get some water. 5 was pretty strong.
I mean, it was like... Lazy?
It tastes kind of weird because it leaves that berry taste. So when you drink water, it's still kind of there. I don't know if
you think?
If you had the same taste, but...
Yeah, I think for the price it's good because it comes with 2 of these. I also know that if you go to their website, the Cirkul website, you can sign up for monthly payments and then they deliver whatever count you put of cartridges. So like you can do a 6 count, whatever count, and then you pay monthly and they deliver them to you.
Yeah, and I'm reading here that the nutrition facts are actually there too. You know, zero total fat, 0 sodium, total carbs 0, total sugar 0. So I don't think this is a bad deal. I know most, you know, little like the Mio ones that give flavor to your water, a lot of them have sodium in it, you know, to give it flavor. But this one doesn't have any of them, so I don't know exactly what it's about, but. What level is that?
3. 3 is good, I think.
I think 3 would be maybe 4.
Maybe 4, yeah, maybe 4.
But
because it's
let me
not
do 3.
like.
Let me do 3. I don't know. I don't know. Try.
I had to do it twice too.
Okay, let me try 4.
Okay.
I think 3 is.
3 was okay.
Yeah,
was okay.
It's not too. It's I think a little
it's
bit.
It's like a little
less,
watered down, but.
But it still gives it flavor.
Yeah. So maybe 4.
I think 4. I think 4 is gonna be the one. I think 4 is gonna be the one. That's right. I really think 4 is the one.
Oh yeah, 4 is really good.
Right. Okay. Now let's do 10. Oh.
Ugh.
Don't do. Why would they do that?
People like to drink. If you do that one, the thing will probably.
I'm just getting water. Oh, don't do that.
So okay, we tried the last one, which is the one
9.
after the 9.
Yeah.
The one after the 9, so I'm thinking it's 10.
Well,
Does it have a number?
I think it's just 9. I'm trying to see if there's anything that it's, you know.
We tried the last one.
Yeah.
And
9, whatever, 9, whatever you want to call it. Just don't do it.
It's the plain flavor without any water, and it is very strong. I think if you did that, I mean, I don't know why you would do that, but it would probably run out super.
Yeah. So yeah, and that's one thing I was gonna say. I think it depends. Also, you know, if you use it on 1 or 2, maybe it'll last longer
than 6
than 6 20 ounce? Then 6 20 ounce, maybe it'll last 7, you know, but I think it just depends.
4 is good.
Do not try 10 or 9. Don't try it, please. It really
it's just I don't know why they would put it on there.
It was too strong. It tasted worse than medicine. It's bad. It's
just very strong because there's no water. You're just tasting this.
Why would they do that? Why would they do that? That was horrible. I'm serious. That was bad.
I wonder if you're even but you have to drink water, right? Like you're still drinking water, but
but it's just probably
it's
a little
that
bit of water
strong because it was not.
I'm not kidding.
That's
I still have
crazy.
That. It just tasted like very strong, very. Okay.
It was very strong. It didn't even taste like you were drinking any water whatsoever.
I just need water because that was bad.
It was very strong. So I think level 4, it's even 3. I think it's good, and it'll probably last longer.
Yeah, I think.
You want to try the fruit punch?
I don't know. After that last 9, that was pretty bad. But
I just want to see
I'll do it for the people.
I just want to see. Okay.
So I mean, I guess
you just take this out and make sure you close it good. And
do you have to unscrew this? You don't have to unscrew this, right? The lid?
No, you don't.
Yeah, you don't have to unscrew the lid. You can just do that and okay. I think it's ready.
And it tells you here what flavor you're doing around this thing. I just think this is really cool. So let's just try level 4.
Oh, once you flip that lid open, I smelled the fruit punch.
Really?
Yeah.
I just smelled it.
Well, I smelled something. I don't know. I guess maybe it was just me. You said 3 or 4?
Oh, I was putting 4, but you can.
Okay, I'll do 4. We're running out of water. No.
That's. What?
Try it.
Oh man. I'm gonna do. Fine, I'll do 4.
Yeah. So 4 is a little strong for a fruit punch. Yeah.
4 is.
So I guess you're just gonna have to taste it yourself and see which number you can do it at.
Oh, because. So.
That was pretty bad.
Oh, so look. So not only are they different flavors, and we took that off, but this one's like it hydrates you, and then this one's like active. It says active, so I guess it gives you energy, maybe, or I don't know. But that's what. They're different. So so since they're all different, and since this one's supposed to hydrate you, maybe it has more of whatever that is.
Okay,
and it's stronger.
Sorry, I just noticed, and I made a mistake. So the fruit punch doesn't have sodium, but the mixed berry does. 55 milligrams of sodium. I just noticed that.
Oh, so.
But the fruit punch is stronger though.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
So that's kind of. Yeah, I think for the fruit punch you might want to do 2. Maybe let me try 2.
It was pretty strong for the fruit punch. So each flavor.
Yeah, I think 2 is. I think 2 is good.
I
think 2 is good. Yeah, you can try it. Maybe 3, but I think 2. I think 2 would be ideal.
Yeah, 2 is fine. Maybe 3. It is a little watered down.
That's so weird though, because you would think since the mixed berry has sodium, you would think that would be a little stronger, but.
Because of the salt.
Well, yeah, exactly for the salt, but. Yeah, I mean.
But they don't have. Neither one has sugar, so it's still no sugar. It's just different, I guess. Like one's active, one's to hydrate you, and since it's to hydrate you, maybe it's more. It has to have something.
You know what, guys? Also, they have so many different flavors for these cartridges, and you can just go online, even to their website, and look for them. The cartridge, I'm not sure how much they are for.
$3.
Yeah, I think I saw maybe it was
about $3. And I think it's the same price on their website. And also, like I said, you can sign up to pay monthly, and they will deliver you whatever count you pick, and then you pick your own flavors too. And they have more like online. They'll have more, like if you want to do like. More of those that give you energy, or they have a lot of options.
So this one says active, right? So yeah, I think since it's active, to work out, you need electrolytes. So I think that's why it has a sodium.
Oh, okay.
It has a sodium, in there for that. So yeah, I think the mixed berry is for the active. Again, I still wonder why the fruit punch doesn't have sodium, but it's even stronger than the mixed berry.
Yeah, it is, and they have so many you can try, but they will last you like especially I guess depending on the level that you put. I really like this mixed berry one.
No, but I'm serious, guys. Don't do 9. That was bad. I don't know what I was not expecting that. It was.
I mean, some people like very sweet.
No, but that was not. If you do 9, you have a problem. You need help.
No,
that was bad. That was really bad.
To each its own. But it helps you drink water, which is the important thing. And I know a lot of us don't like drinking water, or it's hard to drink a lot of water because it's just water.
Yeah, I love drinking water.
I like water, but I cannot. I feel like I need some flavor in it.
Yeah.
I can drink some water, but I can't. Like, I don't think I can be drinking water the whole day. I don't know.
Yeah.
Unless I'm like tired or thirsty.
If you're active and you have to you have to drink water. If you're not used to it, it could be kind of hard. But that's why.
But this will help.
These flavored. Yeah, I mean it gives it a little. You can keep it at 1, just a little flavor, a little kick, to it. So that way it's not just it's gonna help you stay hydrated, and it's gonna help you. Just drink more water. And
I mean, you can go back to water because I feel like this is like, for me, this is perfect, because I can drink water, but then I'm like, I need a little flavor in it, so then I can do this, and then I can go back to just water, and it'll help you drink your
just don't get addicted water. To this, guys, please. It's good though. It's good for $20. I think it's $19.98 to be exact. It's not bad, honestly, and it comes with 2 cartridges, and I mean it's gonna last a while. You can fill it up. I mean I wouldn't recommend to be drinking it all day every day. With the flavor, but
you can switch
do what you gotta do.
And I mean it doesn't have sugar, so you really are drinking water, and I mean they also have different sizes, so if 22 ounces is too small for you want to do more water, they do have more, I think, online, like on their website.
Gotcha. Nice. Well, guys, here it is. If you guys want to check it out, they have them on their website. We got ours at Walmart.
We did.
So if you want to go, I'm sure they have it at Target and pretty much any store. So you can go and get it yourself and test it out yourself, and you can let us know what you think. Just don't do 9. Do not do 9. Do 9.
You can do 9 if you want.
Just keep it between 3 and 4, I believe.
But 4, well, it depends. It's because it depends on the flavor. It really does. Yeah. So just try it out. Let us know what you think.
We're gonna be buying more flavors, and also just keeping you guys updated on it and see what flavors they have. I'm sure they have so many. They have so many, but I think it's a good purchase. I like it. What do you think?
I liked it too. I really like it, and I'm excited to be drinking water now.
Alrighty, guys. Well, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support. And we also just want to give you guys an announcement. Once we reach 100 subscribers, we are going to be doing a giveaway, and we want you to be a part of it. So just make sure you subscribe to not miss a video. Like this video and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss that out. Exactly. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next time. Fall into you.